Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make my all-time party favorite, the chicken Shahi korma. This is a list of ingredients required. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 4 sliced onions and half a teaspoon of salt. Fry on medium flame. Keep stirring frequently and take care not to burn the onions as they'll turn bitter. Fry the onions till they turn a deep golden brown. This is called caramelizing the onions. In the jar of a mixer grinder, take 1/4 cup of curd, 8 to 10 cashews and the caramelized onions. Blend to a fine paste and keep aside. Heat 2 tablespoons oil. Take 8 to 10 peppercorns, 1 bay leaf, 2 cardamoms, a 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 4 cloves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add these to the hot oil and let them splutter for about 30 seconds. Now add 1 finely chopped tomato. Fry on medium flame for 2 minutes till the tomato becomes soft. Again, stir frequently to prevent burning. Add 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 2 teaspoons garlic paste and fry till the raw smell goes. By this time, the tomatoes also will be very soft and mushy. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Keep the flame at medium and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. If the spices are burning, add a splash of warm water and continue frying till the spices are cooked well and the oil separates from the sides like this. Now add half a kg of chicken, some salt to taste and fry on high heat for 5 minutes. Add in the ground onion cashew paste. Mix well. Cover and cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. Stir a couple of times to check if anything is stuck to the pan and is in danger of getting burnt. Now add 2 cups of water, a pinch of saffron soaked in a 1/4 cup milk and 2 slit green chillies. Cover and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. At this stage, let the gravy be slightly thin as it will thicken further on cooling down. Add freshly chopped coriander leaves. Switch off the flame. Cover and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. Serve hot with rotis or puris. Looks yum, doesn't it? If you like this video, please like and share it. And for more such interesting recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Also, leave your comments below in the comment section. Thank you.